my wife told me that water dispenser is not working, and I checked. This is just moving freely and doesn't look like it's pushing anything. So just by looking at it, seems like either this lever is broken or the springs which holds it back and bring it back to its initial position, that spring is not working. So I'm gonna have to open it and see what's the issue, but it definitely seems like the issue is with the water dispenser lever. So I don't know if you guys can see this little part. This is the switch where this lever is supposed to push for the water. This is for the ice, and I don't know if you can see, this lever is broken. So if I push it, it should come all the way to here. That lever should come all the way here, but it's not coming, so I guess the lever is broken. So I'm gonna order the replacement part and see if we can fix it. So guys, I ordered this replacement part. It's pretty easy to find. You can order it either Amazon or eBay. It goes refrigerator dispenser water actuator, or you can also type refrigerator water dispenser lever. I have Frigidare, so I type Frigidare and then remaining this stuff, so it shows up. You can order the fridge you have, and it's pretty easy to find. It costs you around 30-35 bucks. So let's go ahead and try to replace that. So to get to that screw, I have opened the three more screws here that I have opened, so I can pull that thing out, and then I can easily replace those two connector where these water dispenser lever should go, and then I'll have to put the spring back and then put the lever back. So I open the screw, I pull that thing out, and you can see I remove those two screws, and I can see that this is broken here, and I don't know if you can see. I'll just take it right from here and put it in a new one. See that? So I'll remove that and then I'll put a new one. So I'm just gonna take it out. This is the broken one, and I'll put the new one right here, and I'll put those screws back. So I put those holding plates back in a place, and then tighten up those screws. Now you can see this is, if I push it, it's gonna press that button, and then it's gonna dispense the water. So I'm just gonna put everything back together, and then I'm gonna show you how it looks like at the end. So I put those screws back and put this thing back together, and now it's working fine. You can see it's gonna click and I can get the water. So I'm gonna put it back this way. So I put those screws back together. Now it looks fine. I'll put this one in place, and now you can see this is working as good. Let me know if you guys have any question in the comments.